Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
So,
salam.
what is your full name, sir?
Sir, my full name is Mukarram.
And what name may I call you?
Sir, you can call me Mukarram.
Mukarram. Okay. So, Mukarram, what is your today's evening's topics for practice speaking English?
My today's topic is importance of learning English.
Importance of learning English. Okay. So, say something about importance of learning English. Why English is very important in this global phase? Why?
Yes, English is very important for everyone because this is an international language. If we go abroad or any other countries, we must have to know English because this is an international. And if we want to communicate with other kind of people who are living abroad, who are living outside in our country, we must communicate in speaking by English.
Yes. Of course.
And also English is so important because we can make a oral communication by native English speaker.
Yeah,
With,
absolutely.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
so it's very clear that you know that why English is so important nowadays
Yes,
in
sir.
this modern society or in this global place, right?
Also, we know that our our world has become a modern world, and
Right.
all the things, all the information of the modern world is written by English.
Okay. So my specific question for you that why you are trying hard for learning English? What's the reason behind it?
So there is so many reasons because uh, if I just uh, get the language of English, the English language, then I can make an oral and excellent communication with English speakers.
Okay. So do you have any plan or target or mission or vision to go abroad for higher study or for settle for migrate? Do you have any?
Yes, sir. I think everyone has this kind of dream or this. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
So
if I if I get any scholarship or any any that means any chance, yes, to go abroad in safer place. So I will go. Yeah.
okay, very good. So tell me, how long have you been learning English?
From my uh, childhood.
From your childhood.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you love to learn English or hate to learn
Definitely,
English?
yes, sir. I like. Yeah.
So why do you love it?
I love it because I can enjoy by learning English with various types of movie, or I can just see that English, and I can also do many things in English, and I can also by learning English I can understand all kind of topics, all kind of
Okay.
things of computer.
Very good,
Yes.
very good. So how have you been improving your English day by day, slowly and gradually?
Sorry, sir.
How have you been improving,
Hmm.
enhancing your English day by day, slowly, gradually?
Uh,
What do you do for improving your English?
yes, I do many things. I just practice English in my home and in everywhere. I just practice English, and I see many other movies and English broadcast for listening.
Okay.
So
So, what is the most important thing for learning any language, especially English?
there are four things. First of all, reading, writing, listening, and speaking practice.
Speaking,
Yeah.
yes. So, what should we do to learn English fastly every day? What should we do?
We should uh, practice listening. Yeah. First
Practice
of all.
listening
Yes,
and
sir.
speaking,
Speaking,
right?
yes, sir. And
Okay.
try to speak.
Yeah. Okay, Mukarram, thank you so much, and you have explained nicely, wonderfully about English,
Thank you,
and
sir.
also about why you have learned English for a long time. That all these things I have already cleared.
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
thank you so much, and best wishes for you. Best of luck.
Yes, sir. Glad to, sir.
Okay.